And we're back. So we've put in all of our information into the system for our new employees. We now want to run some reports pertaining to the payroll. So we're now on page 578. Again, we're now on page 578. So click where it says taxes and then choose payroll tax. Again, if you're in toolbar, click on taxes and choose payroll tax. And it gives us a few different reports that we can look at. It will show the upcoming tax payments. And at the bottom, it should show us click where it says show all. So you see the different tax payments owed to the different tax authorities. Okay. And we then want to take a look at the paycheck information. So if you go up to your little question mark, which is like your search button, to show all your recent transactions, and then just go ahead and click on the payroll check. When this little box comes up, report your way, you just click on next, and then you can go done there. So if you put a check mark in front of the check from Bryce McGuire, and again, we're at the bottom of page 579. So we put a check mark there. And if you want to actually see the information for that, you can just click on the export button, or you can print that. Well, we can just click on print for right now. Let's see what it shows us. Yeah, so now you see the actual paycheck stub where it shows the gross pay, deductions, breakdown of the gross pay, both current as well as for year to date. So that's just a copy of all of our payroll information. But we're not really going to print that out. So I'm going to click on the X button to come out of there. Going back to the paycheck history, we now want to run the actual journal report to just show the transaction for the month of October. So I'll click on the reports. I'm going to go journal to run my journal report. I like the classic view, so I'll click on the classic view. And so the actual paycheck date was, I believe, 10/6. Yes, it was 10/6. So my journal, I'll make it custom. And let's just do from 10/6 to 10/6. Okay. So now notice that your journal is showing all of your payroll information. And although the taxes might be a little different because of the new year, the total amount for the gross pay and the taxes paid by the employer, that total amount should be $661.50. Okay, so let's do one more payroll transaction. So let's click on the payroll button, go to employees, and again choose run payroll to do the payroll for the next pay period, which is going to be for us October 13th. So we'll select the employee, which is Bryce. Hey, well, we only have one employee. So I guess Bryce is chosen automatically because you only got the one employee. Choose the pay period of 10/5 to 10/11. Pay period is going to be 10/13. Once again, let's just do a quick preview to take a look at the actual payroll information. If you wanted more details, you would click where it says preview payroll details. It's the same as before, so I'm not going to click that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click where it says to submit payroll. That check number is going to be 1119. It's going to be that number. And then click on the close button in order to finish the payroll. So your book says finish payroll. You don't necessarily have a finish payroll button, but if you click on the close button, that should close out the payroll information. Then it says payroll is done. Okay. And so that's going to conclude all of our payroll information for chapter 11. So again, I did this video so that you can see that some of the transactions will be a little different than what's shown in your textbook. So your chapter 11 homework begins on page 585 with exercise 11.1, 11-2. Those should be completed using the QuickBooks software. They continue to page 586, and then chapter exercise 11-3 will be completed using the Connect software. Okay? And that will conclude our chapter 11 video lecture. Bye.